Hello and welcome to the fourth of 5 how-to videos in this series on Tyrell Cloud standard projects. If you're binge watching these, then you're clearly oozing stamina, and you will know that over the last 3 videos we've gone through the process of creating our project, we've set up our workstations and HP Anywhere broker, and in our last video we commissioned our edit share shared storage. So at this point we have a functioning post-production facility. But we're hanging this example project on a small sports event, so in this video we're going to look at how we get IP video streams over SRT into our Tyrell Cloud project using Cloud Connect to allow us to do some live production and ISO records. So let's get into it. We're going to start on our project dashboard as per usual, and if you remember in the first video, I mentioned that our ConnectStream deployments do not follow our project schedule. They are by default always off. So if from the dashboard, I go to schedule, I then get to the deployment schedule where I can disregard the override and light up my ConnectStream services. So let's jump back to the dashboard where we can see that the SRT input is coming alive, and where we can get the drop down to the manage page where we are going to configure our SRT inputs. So you can see a bit of a barber's pole of a status indication on these cards. Half of the stripes are indicating whether or not the service is active. Both of our services here have just become active. And the other half indicates that I have a setting which is not complete or incorrect. So if we jump into the settings of this card, we can see that a source IP is missing. That's something that I'll have to enter. And the rest of the stream details are available here, including the passcode and the stream URL, which I'll need to put into my SRT encoder. So let's grab our password and input our source IP. Now my camera encoder, inverted commas, or phone is on the same network as my MacBook here, so I've got a useful prompt of my current IP, which I can plumb into here. And to make those changes stick, I will need to update details on the menu here, and then you look, we'll get a green status on the card. There we go. So the next stage is now to go over to my camera phone or SRT encoder if you're a professional, and go into my outgoing connection settings and inputting all of the details that we've just got, including the passcode, the stream, IP address. And with those details correct and the stream started, we get an indication on our card in our dashboard that the stream is connected and established. So we now have an SRT stream connected to our SRT input, but we also want to give this an output. Now with the ConnectStream service, you get 2 outputs. So I can route one into my production environment, route the other maybe into a multi-viewer or into any other service that I want to use it for. But let's go onto our workstation where I've installed vMix as our production platform and connect that stream and see it live in action. So on my Tyrell Cloud workstation, I've logged into Tyrell Cloud so I can quickly copy the stream URL. And in vMix, if I go in, and this will be similar on any production platform, I'm going to select SRT caller, and I'm going to put in the stream address in vMix. It's broken up into different fields. It may just be one string, depending on the platform. So let's just modify this, move the port out and correct that. And if I apply that, we should see a beautiful watermarked stream of me. In the next and final video, we're going to be looking at how we shut down the resources in our Tyrell Cloud project so that when our project is finished, we can make sure we're not spending any money on resources that are not being used. Thank you for watching this one, and I hope to see you on the next.